Okay, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and this is a haul with a whole bunch of Tonic dyes. First, I did get some this and that red tape. So, and the prices are sneaking up because right beside this is a 1/2 inch. It was a $1.99 one, and then of course in front of it they had the $2.19 ones. So of course I knew that I hadn't paid $2.19 for it, so I flipped through the back, and they go to $1.99 ones. So that's another tip when you're shopping on Tuesday morning. If you've seen an item that you've seen before and the price is higher, always go flip through to see, or looking at its clearance item, because even though it might not be on clearance, sometimes they'll put items in the back that have the cheaper price, so that you would buy the older ones first and then they put those out. I mean the higher ones. So anyway, for this one it is 1982360, which is really strong tape. That's a 1/2 inch. Then a 1/4 inch, $1.99. These used to be $1.49. 2038645 for a 1/4 inch. So they're going up, but I would have to make a mini album, so I need to have some tape. Now, so these are some Tonic dyes, but before I get to that, let me show these two. This is a Bo Bonnie stamp, and I didn't get this the first go around, I don't think. I got to check to make sure I didn't. 2050976 for $2.99, so it'll go back. And these are like the little background stamps, hearts. It's a 6-piece set in stars. This is Domesticated Bliss, Simple Stories, and this actually went down because I think the first time they were out, they were $4.99. So this is $2.99, so that's good. 2052710. And how many pieces in here does it say? 116 pieces, 18 4x6, 36 3x4, and 12 4x4s in here, and 24 2x2s, and 26 bites and pieces. So this is not limited to just that paper line. Anything that can match, you can mix and match. You can use this in your Instagram photos. You can use this on ATCs, iCads, which is or ICs, Rolodex, layouts, card fronts, you know, candy. So you can do a lot of things, tags. So your flip books, your envelopes, things like that. So they're good to have, especially this is a big pack. So if you're looking again an inexpensive way to get a lot of ephemera, and then you can also fussy cut out some of these items, you know, as well. Alright, so now into the dyes. I got quite a few different types, so for different reasons. And all of mine so far are all $4.99. I haven't found any with different prices. I haven't found any of the Villages, the dimensional ones, which is what I would love to have. Really wanted that. So I've been to 8 stores. They all have had them for $4.99. I haven't seen any $3.99s either, but I definitely haven't seen any $9.99. That doesn't mean they didn't exist, but all our stores had some. And I already showed one haul. So this is going to a couple stores, and still missing something else that I wanted to get. And I'm going out of town, but I'm riding with some coworkers, so I ain't gonna go shopping. We're gonna be right across the street from Hobby Lobby, and the Tuesday morning that stays well stocked. But it's a good thing. I don't need no shopping. But I would love to see what kind of dyes they have. So this, of course, all Tonic. Like I said, they're all $4.99, and they all have, I believe, the same, exact SKU. So it's not going to help you, but I will read it once. And then even the stamps have the same SKU. You can call, at least know if they got something in your store with it. That's $4.99, but you won't know which item. You actually have to go to the store. So this is the SKU for the $4.99 dyes. 2052194. They all have November 18th on it this year. I do encourage people to check back on the 18th of November in case, you know, you can't find it, because that's when the Tim Holt should be out. His traveling case and all that kind of stuff like that. So this first one is Mozart's Blossom Flourish die set. It's a 3-piece set. And it's just basically, these are just some sprigs or some flourish that you can use on backgrounds when you know, with clustering, with your flowers, with any kind of embellishments, that just add that little piece, you know, and they're actually nice size. So it's a 3-piece set there. This one is the party set, the birthday bundle. And so you have your little blowhorn, the cupcake, the party hat, and a banner. So you can kind of see those, what they look like as well. And again, the number is the same. You can call the 1-800 product hotline, and you get the same they'll let you know. You put the number in there, the SKU, and put in there your zip code, and it'll tell you if you have it in your area. So these next two dies are very similar but different. This is the Hooray banner die in stamp set. So they have the banner and they have the word Hooray. Those two are the dies, and these two are the stamps. So you can stamp these, you can emboss them however you want to do it on top of that banner. But that's the way that banner looks, and it's a nice size banner. You know, that'll go right across the card front. And it says, what size? It's 1.2 by 4.4, so 4.4 inches for that banner. And then your two stamps. And then this one is the party time one. And that banner, and it says today is your day and happy birthday. So it's called Party Time Banner Die Stamp Set, and that's the size of that banner. So there are different designs. So this has more of the fishtail banner on it, so you can kind of see. But these are easy to make a card front or tags real quick. This is my third one. It's kind of like this size, which is an ATC size, which is the same size of the baseball card, 2.5 by 3.5. And this one's called Sent with Love. And this is actually a 5-piece die set, so you can do your layering. You can even make it into a shaker if you like. But you can see you have your shadows and your intricate, and then you got your sentiment and your intercut right there too. So, sorry about that lighting if you can't see too good. The windows are open. This is Marmalade's World accessory set number 4. And let me get the rest of. I thought I had another Marmalade, yeah. So this one, as you can see, is a bouquet in the die, a heart in the die, and then a little bag or purse and the die. And that's what those images look like. Let me kind of give you an example down here, like that's with the bag. So this is Marmalade's World accessory set number 1, and that was number 4. You got your ABCs, you got a baby banner, and you got a the ribbon banner. That's what I was kind of on the fence about. But I end up think I'm going to keep it because I end up finding Harry and Heffy stamp set, which is a little boy and an elephant, which they have in a lot of the series that go along with it, with the accessories that you can, you know, make cards and stuff with. And then I got the Attraction, which is the uppercase letter size, which is 0.6 by 0.5, half an inch. And this is the Attraction numerals. And I meant to go back and get the Attraction lowercase, so I'm going to find the lowercase. I know we have it because I saw it, but I forgot to get it. I put it down and forgot to pick it back up. But this is 2 sets of numbers. So the smaller set, 0.6 by 1, and the larger set. So just quick to have some numbers on hand. Again, this is, you know, something you keep simple in your stash. Some numbers and some alphas that you can use at any time when you're making a project. So of course these all, you cut all of them out at one time. And then you have that same thing here to connect it, which is fine. That way you don't lose all those multiple little pieces. Then I got this Garland Terrace decorative mini die set, 4 pieces. So let's try to see what the 4th piece is. That's 1, 2, 3. And it shows you how you can make it into different designs. So these are some of the ways you can use that to make a card front. And it shows you the different, you know, having it in, embossed without it, cut out, you know, so you can do it different ways. So that's pretty cool. You can use it 4 different ways. But I don't see 4 different dies. Unless I'm missing something. And I'm going to pull it out and see. I don't see 4. I see 1. That's 2 and 3. So where's the 4th die? I don't know, but everybody I've seen only had 3 on this one. Why does it say it's 4? Me don't like it when it says one thing and it's not that. Me don't like it that. So I'm gonna Google that. If that ain't right, shall return. Because that's only 3 pieces. Oh, See, I didn't look well. It is 4. This one right here in the middle. That's a separate die. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you know, I gotta check. I knew I probably was missing it. But I think I remember looking in the store, but I wasn't sure. So that is 4 pieces. So anyway, those are the different ways you can cut that out. So again, you can make some different, like a gatefold to make an intricate die. These 2 stamp sets, they say Bella, and they're cute. I would love to find the die fronts that go with these. But anyway, so this is what they look like on the back. So the name wasn't the right one on this one. Yeah, so this one right here says Bella, but this is the image of it right here, and it's called Debutante Ball for this one right here. So this should be Debutante Ball, but it says Bella. Now this one says Belle. I'm sorry, Belle, not Bella. And this one is, which one is that one? True Flamencio. True Flamencio. So they mislabeled. So that one is the one I have, and it says Belle on it, but it says True Flamencia. And this one says Belle, but it says Debutante Ball. So I don't know if that's why they're in the store, but they keep. I would love to find Sweet Sachet, Last Dance. I would love to find those other 3. So it's 1, 2. Those other 2, excuse me. I would love to find those other 2 dies. Stamps. So if anybody sees those, let me know. So I'm looking for the Last Dance and Sweet Sachet. And then the last one I got was the fox. I didn't see any other animals like the alligator or bear or whatever it was. But this is the fox, Frankie Fox. And of course, with the bow, you can make it more feminine, but you can make it, more masculine. Either way, however you wanted to. Show you 2 different suggested ways. So can't wait to cut that piece out. And this has 10 pieces to play with that one as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching this, and subscribing. And hopefully you can find some of those in your area. Just want you to see what they look like. Take care, guys. You have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye. And I dare you to be creative.